Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to set up this PC without Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to the Wi-Fi network, and if you are already connected, then in such case either turn off the router or reach the place where the network signal of your router is unreachable, and then proceed with the following steps. First of all, use two keys combination, Windows and F10, to open the CMD window. And once you open it, press Alt, tab, then tab again without removing your finger from the Alt. Next, in this field you have to enter the command OOBE /bypass then press enter, and then wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, you can proceed with the installation normally. So select the right country or region using down and up arrow keys if you don't have access to external mouse, and then press enter. On the following page, using down and up arrow keys, select the right keyboard layout or input method, and press enter again. And then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can press tab several times until you hit the add layout option, and then press enter. And otherwise you can just click skip. Now, instead of connecting to the network, press tab several times until you have this I don't have internet option selected. Press enter to confirm, and then give yourself a username, press enter. Now you can give also create a password right now, but if you don't want to, you don't have to, you can just press enter right away and continue to the next step. Now choose some privacy settings for your device. To navigate between these toggles, you have to use tab button. Now I usually go with location, and to find my device enabled. Now diagnostic data only collects your data for Microsoft, just like inking and typing, and tailored experiences and advertising ID basically personalize your ads. And now, so usually I would turn off this diagnostic data by pressing spacebar, and inking and typing with the spacebar again, tailored experiences and advertising ID, I usually turn them off, but you can get to know each setting for yourself and make your choice. Then press tab several times to select accept, then press enter, and then just wait for a moment until the setup is finished. And at this point the setup process is complete, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.